Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm discussing a very captivating topic that's talking about women's health. Yes, topic that people always shy about in talking about concerning women. I want to take this opportunity to thank my subscribers. You inspire me, you motivate me. I say thank you and may God bless you. So let's get started. Are you struggling with uncomfortable itching and burning sensations, irritations? Today we are looking into yeast infection. It can be a real pain, but there are effective and natural remedies to get rid of this yeast infection for good. In this video, I break down everything you need to know from the causes and symptoms to the best treatments and lifestyle changes to prevent them from coming back to you. So, empower yourself with this knowledge to take control of your health. So, don't let yeast infection keep you back. Welcome back again. Today, we are diving into a topic that is incredibly important but not always talked about openly: yeast infections. If you've ever experienced one, let me know in the comment section below. You know how uncomfortable they can be. They can be so annoying and can make somebody to pick stuff. The itching, the burning, the irritation, they are not just physically taxing but can also be quite stressful. Yeast infections are actually more common than you might think. And the good news is they are usually easy to treat and even easier to prevent once you know how to do it. So stick around because I'm going to share with you some effective evidence-based strategies to get rid of this yeast infection and keep them at bay. So what is yeast infection? First thing first, let's understand what this yeast infection is all about. A yeast infection, also known as vaginal candidiasis, is caused by an overgrowth of fungus called Candida. While Candida is normally present in a small amount in your vagina, it can multiply rapidly in certain conditions. It can multiply rapidly under certain conditions, leading to an infection. So some of the common symptoms include intense itching around the vaginal area. Number 2, burning sensation, especially during urination or during sex. Number 3, redness and swelling of the vulva. The vulva will be red and swollen. Number 4, thick and white discharge that resembles cottage cheese, though not all women will experience this. Number 5, pain and soreness. If you are experiencing these symptoms, it's likely you have a yeast infection, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some of the effective remedies. How do you get rid of this infection? Number 1, making use of over-the-counter antifungal treatments. The first line of treatment is usually over-the-counter antifungal medications. These come in various forms such as creams, ointments, tablets. The most common antifungal medications include cotrimazole, miconazole, butoconazole. These treatments are usually effective within 3 to 7 days. So make use of them and follow the instructions on the packaging carefully for your best results. Second way you can get rid of this yeast infection is making use of probiotics. Probiotics, particularly those containing lactobacillus strains, can help restore the natural balance of bacteria and yeast in your vagina. You can take these probiotic supplements or consume them in a rich foods like yogurts, kefir, and sauerkraut. Then, home remedies. Some natural home remedies can also be effective. They may take longer time to work than antifungal medications. So here are the few home remedies you can make use of. Use of plain yogurts. Again, apply and consume a lot of unsweetened yogurt. Listen again. Make use of unsweetened yogurt. Consume enough and plenty of unsweetened yogurt, not the sweetened one. Unsweetened yogurt directly. So, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil. This essential oil has an antifungal properties, but it should always be diluted with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin to avoid irritations. Then make use of coconut oil. Coconut oils are very good for fungal infection. This is known for its antifungal soothing properties. Coconut oil can be applied directly to the affected areas. So, what are the lifestyle changes that you can adopt that will help you get rid of these yeast infections? Some of the lifestyle changes can make a big difference in preventing and managing yeast infections. Number one is wearing breathable cotton underwear to reduce moisture. Wear breathable cotton underwears. Number two, avoid tight clothing that can cause friction and trap heat. Limit your sugar intake. Limit the use of sugar and refined carbs in your diet, as high sugar level feeds your yeast. Did you get that? When you consume a lot of sugar, you're feeding the yeast, you're feeding the Candida in your vagina. So if I were you, limit the use of sugar intake and high carbs. Refined sugar in your diet. Cut it off, finally, if it is possible. Avoid scented feminine products, which can disrupt the natural pH balance in your vagina. When do you see a doctor? After all these things, when is the right time for you to see a doctor? Why most yeast infections can be treated at home? There are times when you should see a doctor. Number one, if this is your first yeast infection and you are not sure of what is causing your symptoms, please try see a doctor. If over-the-counter treatment aren't working for you, if you have gotten over-the-counter treatment and they are not working for you, please try see your doctor. Number three, if you're experiencing severe symptoms, please try and see your doctor. Number four, if you're having recurring infections more than 4 times in a year, please try and see a medical professional who will give you a correct treatment plan that is suitable for your yeast infection. In conclusion, yeast infections are common and treatable, but they can be uncomfortable and persistent if not addressed properly. By understanding the causes and symptoms and knowing how to treat them effectively, you can take control of your health and prevent future infections. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave it in the comment section below other symptoms of yeast infection that you've experienced. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.